In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome or Brave connection issues by clearing host cache, checking proxy settings, and resetting browser settings. If pages aren't loading, you're seeing DNS errors, or sites randomly time out, these quick fixes can bring your browser back to normal with minimal hassle. We'll start with the lightest touch and move to a full reset only if needed. First, clear the host cache in Chrome or Brave. Open your browser, click the address bar, and type chrome/netinternals/DNS, then press enter. You'll land on a diagnostics page focused on DNS. Click the button labeled Clear Host Cache. This wipes the browser's internal list of recent DNS lookups. If that list is stale or corrupted, your browser may keep trying an incorrect address, causing failures. Clearing it forces a fresh lookup the next time you visit a site. It's safe, quick, and doesn't erase your browsing history or saved data. After clearing, try reloading a site in a new tab to check if the issue is gone. Remember, this affects only the browser's cache, not your operating system's DNS cache, so it's a targeted fix. Next, check your proxy settings. A misconfigured proxy can silently block or reroute traffic, leading to odd errors or pages that never finish loading. Open your computer's network settings and find the proxy section. If you don't intentionally use a proxy, make sure it's turned off. If your workplace or school requires one, confirm the address and port are correct, and avoid changing mandated settings without guidance. In the browser, you can type chrome/settings proxy to jump directly to the system proxy panel. If you use a VPN, be aware that turning it off without adjusting proxy settings can leave stale configurations behind. After confirming everything, reload a page to test. Finally, reset your browser settings to their defaults. This is a reliable way to undo hidden tweaks, problematic flags, or extension conflicts. In Chrome or Brave, open Settings, search for Reset Settings, and choose Restore Settings to their original defaults, then confirm. A reset disables all extensions, reverts your startup and new tab pages, restores the default search engine, and clears temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks, saved passwords, and history are typically preserved, but you'll likely need to sign back into websites. After the reset, fully close and reopen the browser, then re-enable extensions one at a time if needed. That's it. Clear the host cache, verify proxy settings, and if necessary, reset the browser. These steps resolve most Chrome and Brave connection issues quickly. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.